Come on, get in. What's good? What's good? Yeah.
Wait, what is it that you're fixing? What is it that you're fixing? Wait, so what? I'm gonna be honest. I don't know much about cars. I'm still trying to learn.
What's your question? Yeah, to hold it.
Alright.
I need you to hold the camera and hold this too. Hold it up. Hold it up. Put the camera down. I know this video is hella short, but if you like it, make sure you guys subscribe. Leave a like on this video also. And we got a lot of content coming. Damn, can't even get out. Hey, it's peak hour. And yeah, traffic ain't that good. At least it's not California traffic. Let me show you what we got. So this is the splitter right here. Yes, sir. We also got some snack. I know we hungry. Put that over there. And yeah, put that over there too. And I'll see you at the shop. We at the shop right now because we want to get the car diagnostic. But the check engine light came on, so I need to know what that's about. Because I know last night, well, it came out a day ago, but last night specifically, the car was not drivable. Like it wasn't running. Like today, I turned it on and I could drive it. So I'm at the shop right now, but I'm gonna know what that's about. I'm gonna check what that's about and fix it today because today's my day off. The only day I got off, so we need to do it. We need to make it work. Another thing, my splitter rod broke, so I need to fix it. I have the replacement at home, so I just need to go home, go get it and fix it. So we're gonna do quite some stuff in today's video. So let's talk about the clutch that I installed. So it's a $1,000 clutch, not too bad, from C1 Motorsport, which they have some great quality product. Like I got no complaint. They didn't want to sponsor the channel, but it's whatever. It's whatever. We got it. So the only complaint I really have about this clutch is the sound. So right, it just sounds like your car is always broken. Sorry for the white balance. So like as you can hear right now, like that's the clutch right there. Pull up at the light and people think your car is messed up. So like that's the only complaint I really have about the clutch, but the clutch been holding up pretty decent, like pretty good. So this is the splitter rod. It broke and now I have the splitter kind of just holding on a wire. So yeah, the other one is fine. It's just this side, but I might end up replacing both of them and just save that for if it happen again. You never know. But yes, if you guys are looking for like a clutch, for like a nice clutch, look, I replaced the clutch on this car 3 times already, you know, and they weren't the best. Let's just say that this one, C1 Motorsport clutch, like it's been holding on decent. And I didn't even wait the full 500 mile to push it a little. Like I kind of push it like after 400 mile on the clutch. Like I was just pushing the car a little bit, you know, not so much. But now we're back on the street. We're gonna get some legal races. We're gonna go we're gonna go do some fun stuff. And yeah, so just make sure you subscribe, follow. You know, I hate when people ask for subscribe and follow, but subscribe and follow if you agree. Hey, what can I say? So I'm diagnosing the car and we got a catalyst system bank 2 pending. So I'm guessing it's gonna go bad pretty soon. Hopefully it's not the whole cat that's going bad, because those are expensive. But we also got the 101 and the 10B mass airflow sensor. So we just need to go ahead and clean those. So we're gonna do that right now. So this is gonna be the first problem that we fix, is the splitter, because my splitter is scraping everywhere and I don't want that. So we're gonna fix this real quick. So the only hole I made was this one on the top, like right here in the bumper, because it's too short to put it in the frame. But yes, you can get away with just doing it on the bumper if you had that question. But now let's jump into the time lapse and yeah. As of now, we haven't fixed the splitter issue that we have, but we're gonna do that after we pick up my brother from school. So, wow, I missed the street. I'm gonna go here though. So we're gonna go ahead, pick him up, and then we're just gonna take him to the shop, same thing, and fix the car now completely. And it's been a long ass time since I've been here. It's funny, you know how life goes so quick. Bring back memory. Middle school. Who would have thought? I think this is where I'm supposed to park. I'm gonna see now. Come on, get in. What's good? Yeah. Probably. Oh, look, Poppy came in. What you gotta say now? ¿Qué pasó? Te traje a Brian.
Quedé aquí en la oficina, pero ¿qué tú vas a hacer? Hermano.
Eso, papi.
Dale, voy a poner esto rápido.
Wait, what is it that you're fixing?
You said what?
What is it that you're fixing?
Because I need to put this right. Hold on, I'll show you.
God.
This, I need to
Yeah.
put it on that side.
So what, bring it up? Wait, so what? I'm gonna be honest, I don't know much about cars. I'm still trying to learn.
What's your question? Yeah, to hold it.
Alright. So I'm seeing how it's like detached right there. I'm like,
Yeah, I want to see what.
so what's detaching it to make it go lower? Like what's making it go lower?
Okay, now we need to put this one in.
Really? Wait.
Okay, I need you to hold the camera and hold this too. Hold it up. Put the camera down. like this, yeah. Hold on. Not in there. Nope. Oh, that the top one. Get out. This one get in. This one out. No. Hold it up. Hold it right here. Hold it up right here, like right here. Exactly right here. Yeah. This is harder than I thought. Okay, that's it. That's it. I will do for now. And that's it for now. We are not gonna do the other one because
Your phone is at 20%.
my phone at 20%.
Yup. Literally just got the warning.
Okay. Well, we got this done. Little bro. So that was today. So that was my whole day today, like crazy. But we got the car fixed finally. So let's hope the check engine doesn't come back, which it shouldn't. I think we fixed it. We did a pretty good job. So, and we also fixed the splitter, which this one is actually a little bit smaller than the actual one that I'm using. So for right now, I just did one side and left the other side like that. Damn, this sun's shining like crazy. Can't even see, blinding. But yeah, so that's that. So we're gonna I know this video is hella short, but if you like it, make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like on this video also. And we got a lot of content coming. Damn, can't even get out. Hey, it's peak hour, and yeah, traffic ain't that good. At least it's not California traffic. Hey, sorry, had to throw that there. But peace out.